Welcome to the fourth video in my spring cleaning series. In my previous videos, we went over how to organize your cleaning caddy and your cleaning routines. Then we went over how to declutter per season. And we went over how to maximize sales at a garage sale. And today, I'm going to show you how to maximize sales on garage sale apps for your higher ticket items. If you need help organizing or just love organizing videos, be sure to subscribe now. Here's how to make the most out of garage sale apps. Take clear, close-up pictures. Depending on the app, your main picture will be hot dog or vertical. Otherwise, it'll be smaller to see and less noticeable. And be sure your pics include any damage. You will also note the damage in the description of the item, and this is very important. The key to doing well on a garage sale app is to be completely upfront about the item you are selling. The best part about using garage sale apps as opposed to using Craigslist is that people can build reputations through ratings. You will typically purchase from someone who has a high rating, right? And you want to be that person. If a person sees the rip or stain on the name brand purse ahead of time, they know what they're in for. If you are not upfront about the damage, they can give you a lower score for not selling an item as described. Then it will be harder for you to sell the rest of your item. Besides, we should have integrity in everything we do. Am I right or am I right? Next, you will have to have a really good description. Include the make and model of any name brand items. You can even include a picture of what the item is selling for elsewhere. For example, if you are selling sunglasses, include the make and model and frame and lens color so that people can look up how much it would cost to purchase that item online, whether they get it new or used. You will price the item for maybe 20% less than the lowest price you see if the item is in great condition, and you will mark it lower if there are any scratches or any other damage. Great pictures and honest descriptions are your best bet for getting attention for your items. But one very important thing that you have to accept now so that you don't get too frustrated is that you will encounter a lot of flakes. You know how I said we should have integrity in everything? Well, a lot of people don't have it. So let me save you a lot of time now. 1, don't get too excited when someone makes an offer. Always respond as soon as you receive the offer and let the person know when you will be available. If they don't respond within a day, you can actually report them and you can even block them. There is no need to waste time getting angry. Just take advantage of the app's reporting features. You only really need to use the block if you feel that the person is being abusive in any way. And if you are that person that made an offer but changed your mind, tell the person. That's it. 2, be patient. The right person will come along. Celebrate when they do and give them 5 stars as soon as you complete the exchange. The additional advantage to rating someone immediately is that they'll be likely to rate you right back and give you 5 stars as well. If you don't see movement on your post, you can always archive an item and repost it. I find that a lot of people shop at night right before bed, so you can repost your sale around 8:30 to 9 p.m. I suggest doing this at least every Friday night, as that's when most people are ready to do an exchange, is usually on the weekends. So you'll just need to keep the pictures saved on your phone. You can also copy the item description before you archive it so that you can just paste it in and add your pictures and your post will be up in no time. Here are some very important safety tips. If someone gives you a phone number or an email address, they are most likely a scammer. Report them immediately. The best thing about these apps is that they are a confidential messaging system that works just like a text, except without giving away your personal information. That's one of the reasons why it's so much safer to use than Craigslist. And you never give your phone number or email address. Always meet in a public place for obvious safety reasons. And the added benefit to meeting in a public place is that you will likely set a specific time to meet, so the person will be more likely to follow through. You can meet down the street at a 7-Eleven, wait until the person leaves, and then go ahead and go home. What garage sale type apps have you used? And what do you love or not love about them? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!